Hi guys, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Simon from West Coast Billiards, and I wanted to give you a quick update on what is coming. So what we're going to do in 2025 is we've launched a YouTube channel, and we're going to start creating videos behind the scenes, how the tables are made. You're going to hear our stories. You're going to get to know the people behind that make your pool tables and make everything, and they're involved with everything we do. You're also going to get to come along for the journey of building tables, pool tables, shuffleboard, air hockey, ping pong, whatever you name it. So we're also going to be launching and bringing some new companies in, as in other artisans, other like-minded companies with like-minded products that are building handmade products in BC, because that's what that's where we come from, and it means a lot to us to have a local product. So come along for the journey, and I'm going to introduce you to some amazing other companies. I'll get behind their scenes, get to know their story, and bring it to you guys all on this YouTube channel. So it's who knows where this could go, who knows how far this could go, but it's super exciting to start a new journey, and I want to bring you guys. So please like, share, comment, all that stuff. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and hopefully I can entertain you guys and bring you some really cool stuff, interesting stuff. And I'm also going to make it, there's going to be some healthy lifestyle stuff in there. I hike a lot. I'm a big hiker, so I spend a lot of time in the forest. I meditate, I eat healthy, I don't drink, so it's just a lot of really positive energy, and bring it to you guys. So come along for the ride, and this is going to be really exciting. So come on, we'll see you guys there. Okay. Have a great day.